If your Wi-Fi option is not showing, do this to fix it. Go to Start and Open Run. Type services.msc and open it. Scroll down below and look for the WLAN auto-config. Right-click and open Properties. Make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. If the service is not running, hit the Start button to run it. Here's how to clear up RAM cache in Windows 11. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. From the left side, go to Performance. Then go to the Memory tab. Here at the bottom, you can see 6 GB of RAM cache. To clear this, you need to download this free app from Microsoft called RAM Map. Open this RAM Map 64 file. Once it is ready, you will get a screen like this. Everything in the standby list is using your RAM cache. Go to Empty and then click on Empty Standby List. Go back to the Task Manager and your RAM cache should be cleared now. If your PC is too slow, here is the easiest way to make it faster. Go to Start and open Microsoft Store. Search for PC Manager and click on Get. It will start downloading. Once it is downloaded and installed, click on Open. Then click on Boost, and after a few seconds, your PC will be faster. Here's how to remove background from any image in 10 seconds. Go to Start and open Paint. From the top left, go to File and click on Open. Select the image and click on Open. Once it opens, select it and go to the Remove Background on the top left. Within seconds, your background will be gone. Forgot your Wi-Fi password? Find it easily. Go to Start and open Settings. From the left side, open Network and Internet. Then go to Wi-Fi. Next, go inside Wi-Fi Properties. Scroll down below and look for View Wi-Fi Security Key. It will show your Wi-Fi password.